What is going on YouTube? Today I am going to make a video on how to put one of your videos or multiple videos into the outro template on your current video. What you want to do is you want to go straight to YouTube, come over here to the top right, click on your icon, and of course mine I'm going to have to go into the YouTube Studio Beta. Once in here, you want to go down to Creator Studio Classic. It's in the bottom left. This you can skip. And then once in here, what you want to do is go into your video manager, click on the video that you want to put this on, put the video in at the end. Then you'll go up here, you'll see the end screen and annotations. You'll click on that, and then from there you'll add your element, which I've already done this, but you'll add your element. You can put a video playlist, a subscribe button, which I've got both those two. You can also promote another channel on here. Once you're done with posting that and you can move it around wherever you want, you just hit save and you're all done. Thanks for watching my video. If you want to see more tutorials, leave a comment down below what you want to know, and I will try to make the best tutorial I can for you. Once again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos, and I'll catch you guys later.